Welcome to All Roads Channel, your trusted source for the stories shaping our world. Buckle up, because we've got a monumental health breakthrough to share. On May 16, 2025, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration gave the green light to the first-ever blood test for Alzheimer's disease, a historic milestone in the fight against this devastating condition. This is big, folks, and we're diving into all the details. The test, officially named the Lumipulse G p-tau 217/β-Amyloid 142 plasma ratio, was developed by Fujirebio Diagnostics, Inc., and is now authorized for adults aged 55 and older who are showing signs of cognitive decline. Unlike the traditional, invasive methods of diagnosing Alzheimer's, think expensive PT scans or spinal fluid analyses that require a lumbar puncture, this blood test is a game changer. It measures levels of two key proteins in the blood, p-tau 217 and beta-amyloid, which are directly linked to the amyloid plaques found in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. In clinical studies, this test has proven to be a powerhouse, detecting nearly 92% of cases that would have been identified by scans or spinal fluid tests, with fewer than 20% of results coming back inconclusive. That's reliability you can count on. Why does this matter? Early diagnosis is everything when it comes to Alzheimer's. Until now, confirming the disease often meant costly procedures that weren't widely accessible, leaving many patients and families in the dark until symptoms worsened. This blood test is not only less invasive, but also far more affordable, making it a potential lifeline for millions. Dr. Howard Fillet, co-founder of the Alzheimer's Drug Discovery Foundation, called it a transformative step, saying it could help turn Alzheimer's into a manageable chronic condition rather than a death sentence. With this test, doctors can catch the disease earlier, opening the door to treatments like Leqembi and Kisunla, FDA-approved drugs that slow disease progression by targeting those pesky amyloid plaques. But here's the kicker. This test isn't a standalone solution. The FDA stresses it must be used alongside other clinical assessments, like cognitive evaluations, because no single test can definitively diagnose Alzheimer's. Still, the Alzheimer's Association and leading researchers are buzzing with excitement, saying this could usher in an era of precision medicine for neurodegenerative diseases. Imagine a future where routine blood tests at your doctor's office can flag Alzheimer's risk years before symptoms even start. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. This approval also shines a spotlight on the broader fight against Alzheimer's, which affects over 6 million Americans and is the 7th leading cause of death in the U.S. With an aging population, the need for accessible diagnostics has never been greater. Experts predict this test could reduce the burden on healthcare systems, streamline clinical trials for new treatments, and give patients and families more time to plan for the future. Of course, there's still work to do. Researchers are calling for more studies to refine how this test fits into everyday medical practice. But for now, this is a massive leap forward. Stay with us as we continue to track this story and its impact on communities worldwide. At All Roads Channel, we're committed to bringing you the news that matters, when it matters. This has been an All Roads Channel news flash. Don't miss a beat. Subscribe, hit that bell, and join our journey to uncover the stories that connect us all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.